Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is relational operator and arithmetic operator in C language. Relational operator. Relational operator are those operator in C++ that are used to compare two values and it will gives the result true or false. The relational operator are used to specify conditions in program. Whether the condition is true or false. जिस तरह हम कहते हैं कि if marks are greater than 33 then the students is passed. इसमें marks as greater than 33 is a condition and greater than is a relational operator. It provides result as true or false. The relational operator are sometimes called the conditional operator because they are used to specify condition. The relational operator are also called comparison operator. They are either true or false. C++ provides the following relational operator. Consider these values: x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20, z is equal to 5. X is greater than y. Greater than is a relational operator and this is a relational expression. It will return false because x is 10 and y is 20. Y is less than z. Y is 20 and z is 5. It will also return false. This is less than a relational operator. X is equal to z. It will return false because x and z are not equal to each other. X is less or equal to y. It will return true because x is less than y. Z is greater or equal to y. It will return false because z is not equal to and not greater than y. Y not equal to x, it will return true because y is not equal to x. Consider this simple program for relational operator. These are preprocessor directive, main function, and this is the body of the main function. These are the three components of program. This is the declaration of a variable. Name of variable is x and data type is int. Clear screen is built-in function. Printf is output function. It will display a message on the screen. Backslash n is format specifier. Backslash n mean insert new line. Scanf is input function. %d format specifier used for integer data type. %x the value will be stored at variable x. If x is greater than 50, जब हम x में डेटा डालें कीबोर्ड के ज़रिए scanf उसको कैच करे, अगर वो 50 से ज़्यादा है printf x, तो x की वैल्यू क्या करो, प्रिंट करो, डिस्प्ले करो. Arithmetic operators. C language also provides arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operator is a symbol that perform mathematical operations on data. C provides many arithmetic operators like for addition, plus sign, adds two values, minus subtraction between two values. For multiplication, asterisk is used, and for division, this symbol is used, slash is used, and for modulus or remainder operator, modulus operator is used. This will give remainder when one value is divided by another value. Mainly, this operator is also used to find whether the number is even or odd.